out, I'm walking here.
Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you, never gonna make you cry, never gonna say goodbye, never gonna tell a lie and hurt you.
What's going on, guys? So today is a very exciting day. I'm hyped because today we're going to be choosing the motor that's going into the R34. A new heart, a fun new experience. You guys might not like it. We're gonna upset the internet big time, but we're making our way to New York right now, JDM Engine World. If they don't have it, we're going to JDM Engine Zone. So let's go for the ride.
Book 1. Instagram and Twitter.
We're here, we're picking up Sammy because, as you can see, his CRX right there, he wants to buy a swap as well. So we're gonna check out, since we're there already, maybe a K20 swap for him or something. No, since Sammy's coming out, blast the Spanish. 97.1. Damn, child safety lock for those little hands. What up? Alright, we made it to New York. Watch out, I'm walking here! Hey, blending in. We're blending in. Alright, we finally made it out here after like 2.5 hours of driving just because of traffic and all that stuff. But, made it. Now let's go check inside. Hopefully they have it. I mean, contacted them and they said they did have it, so just gotta double check. Yo, need some Dunkin' Donuts? But we're in America, keep it clean.
Oh,
What's the problem? We're going to Jersey, boys!
Buddy, yo,
What's the problem?
I didn't sign up for this.
Damn, so
I didn't sign up for this.
I feared. I double checked with them, said they had it and everything. I went inside, guy says they don't have it. They only have non-VVTi, and somebody was coming to pick it up. And it was more expensive. So, we're going to Jersey. We're going to Jersey, let's go!
I didn't sign up for this.
It's a little, it's what, 45 minutes away? 45 minutes away. But it's cheaper, it's $150 cheaper also, so that's a plus. All right, let's go over there. Finally, after some even more traffic, we're finally here at JDM Engine Zone. Yep, Engine Zone. Let's go pick out a motor. Hopefully they have it here. I'll be so upset if they sold it on me. All right, so you guys seen when we came and picked up the 2J. You got like front clips here. You got a bunch of Honda motors, I believe, on this side. Yeah, literally all over. So Sammy's looking K-swap, right? Let's go, K-swap for a CRX. While he's looking here, he's gonna be looking around. Show you guys, they have it here, thankfully. The last one that they told me that they had, but as the Russians say, the 1JZ is the best. That's it right there, that's gonna be going into the Skyline. That right there. And you had a bunch of the RBs right here. You got the RB25, you got the Neo. Yeah, all these right here, Neos. Got the SRs and everything there. I know a bunch of you guys wanted me to do a RB, but at the end of the day, it's just gonna be another RB26, RB25 Neo, R34, which, it's nothing crazy. It's just like another Skyline. When I went to Yukon, there's 3 R34s, and they all had the 26. Like, it was nothing special at all. So, but you guys could blame. Everybody go down to Mayhem Inc. YouTube channel, and you could blame them for the 1J. They got me hyped on that. Even when we went to Japan, loved the 1J and the Cresta, and so that's why I'm going with the 1JZ VVTi. But I love those dudes down in New Zealand. Gotta love them. So I'm hyped. We're like on a crunching time schedule. We're trying to rush everything so I could go back and make it back in time for Thompson as well. So we're just gonna load this up, pay the man, see what Sammy's gonna find, if we can find him anything. He's looking for a tranny also. But I'm gonna load it up. I'm here running around because we literally got like 2.5 hours before we gotta leave. All right, let's load this up. hope you guys don't hate me too much, and hope you guys support the build, because it hasn't been done. 1JZ VVTi and the R34 I haven't seen yet. I've seen two 2Js and an R34, but that was in Canada and the UK, and a 1JZ non-VVTi and an R32. But like I said, hope you guys like this pick, and it'll be definitely something different and exciting. Only can do this for 15 seconds. Scenic route, satellite by who? Guster on the peak. Yeah. Hey. Yo, no homo. Man, so much traffic, and I was rushing to bring the truck back to the rental place, but they actually said I could just keep it until I could just drop it off later on, no charge. So that's a plus. But we're just gonna go, just because time-wise and everything, we're just going straight to Thompson right now. Got the 1J in the back, all nice and secured. So we're going straight to Thompson, just so I can get you guys some content, and we'll get some ride-alongs going on. But look at literally all day, traffic everywhere. Ooh, nice Porsche. Finally made it to Thompson. So this video, I'm just gonna throw some clips in here just so you guys can enjoy a little bit. But the next video is gonna be more in depth with some more drifting. Gonna get some ride-alongs with people and just see how everybody's progressing. Got everybody lined up here. Just making our way, just because they have like a bunch of, oh, Travis is here. I think this is some people's spots, so I'm not trying to take anybody's spot. 1J. But finally made it back to the shop. You already know what's going down. We got some shop car tandems going on. Let's go. Hit the bumper, hit the bumper. Now, after a long day of driving everywhere, 3 different states, we finally got the 1J here. So now we could just unload this. Thankfully, I talked to Ryan, AKA my brother, at the event, and he gave me a rundown on what he did for his 1J, and definitely helped me out. Just a couple of things, but I'll get into that after we start tearing that down. Probably be doing that tomorrow, do a whole separate video on that. But yeah, let's get this down. Just gonna go straight in front of the Skyline. Look at that. Make sure you have boys. Always have some good friends to help you out. And they go to the gym, so that helps too.
Just started back.
Alright, we'll just yank this slowly.
Oh boy, hold on.
Oh, the crazy cart.
Pull that way. Pull it that way. Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Straight six turby. And VTEC.
I'm just gonna put like the tire right in front of it, and then we could just lay that bad boy down. Or should we put it like here? Maybe.
I get it done. Get the tire underneath the tire.
Yeah.
Under the oil, so the oil pan goes down into the tire. Yep, somewhere in there. I'm slowing her down.
Good job, guys.
You get it?
Good job. It's only a 2.5 yet?
Yo,
Only a 2.5.
disrespect.
Bring that shit back.
All right,
The guy who had a fucking
disrespect.
500, 600 horsepower RB25.
This is almost 7. You round it off.
Yeah, but you could go for race
Oh.
gas.
Where's the shit?
Too fast.
He's got the other tranny.
That race gas is expensive. Fuck
We might have to go back up a little.
Go up a little.
Yeah, I think you want to go a little, the tire a little farther.
Should already be working on the 1J, but after a long day, gotta have some fun on this. Let's get some in car. Like always, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more. Give it a thumbs up even if you're not a fan of the Jay-Z, but like on 1320, I think it was like mobile DVD or something like that, where they did R35 GTR and the R34, but everybody's done the RB26 and the R34, so we gotta do something different. 1J time. All right, guys.